So we finally arrived in Hamilton. I don't know, Hamilton. I always say it wrong. I know that. Okay, we are on the mission to find a very nice bush. How about that one?
I don't remember.
There is a girl in the lobby of a cheap hotel. She's got her eyes fixed on the floor. She is collecting pieces of the broken hearts of the people who were there before. And it's alright, everybody's on their own, lying wide awake at night.
Made it to the falls. 2 meters.
Literally like 20 minutes.
Literally 20 minutes.
We survived.
Survive dangerous animals. What is she doing? We are now on our way to grab some lunch because that was a very intense 20-minute hike that we did. Feels so weird. I know. I'm touching the menu for the first time in 3 months. Oh my gosh, she's very thirsty. After letting let down by the first waterfalls, we decided to visit Ontario's stinkiest waterfall ever. So I'm not so sure why I'm holding the camera right now. I'm so sorry in advance if you're experiencing some kind of motion sickness. I'm just trying really hard not to slip and die.
Have you ever had a dream that you had you could.
We made it. We made it to the fall. It smells like shit though. I don't know why. So this is the end of our waterfall trip. What do you think?
It was good. It was fun. I'm tired. I want to sleep.
10 out of 10 for the waterfall. 20 out of 10 for the stinkiness. And I wish I brought a better shoes.